welcome back to Maverick How To. In today's video, we are going to install a set of stealth mirrors on a KTM 450. This is what is included. Set of instructions, but hey, that's what I'm for. So let's check this out. Okay, first thing we need to do is loosen these two bolts here using a number 3 metric Allen wrench. Once they are loosened, they can fit on the handlebar. Let's get at it. Okay, this is what it looks like on the handlebar here. In the upright position, there is a choice of an upper and lower mounting. There is the bolt that must be tightened up. Let's see what it looks like on the lower mounting position. Okay, this is the lower mounting position. The only thing I don't like about that is if you are a off-road rider with a dual sport, you fall over, you're going to hit this. You could break it. So I think I'm gonna go with the upper mount. Less likely chances of damaging it. Overall, very nice quality. Okay, here's finished product. Nice size, don't conflict any views. Still room on the handlebars. Overall, a very nice design. Stealthmirrors.com if anybody's looking for a set. Overall, looks great.